In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Reddit. If you're new to Reddit, don't worry. Posting is pretty simple once you know where everything is. Reddit is made up of communities, often called subreddits, where people share questions, stories, opinions, images, and helpful information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic posting process in a clear and easy way so you can create your post confidently. To get started, go to Reddit in your web browser. Make sure you're on the main Reddit site and signed into your account so you can publish a post without any interruptions. Once you're there, take a quick look around the page. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates, but the main posting tools are usually easy to find. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Create button. This opens the post creation page where you'll be able to build your post. If Reddit asks you to choose a community before continuing, simply select the subreddit where you want your post to appear. It's always a good idea to make sure your topic matches that community, since different subreddits have different rules and expectations. Now enter your title. Your title is one of the most important parts of the post because it tells people what your content is about before they click on it. Try to make it clear, direct, and specific. A good title helps readers understand your post right away and can improve engagement. Keep it natural and avoid making it too vague. After that, enter your description or body text. This is where you add the full message you want to share. You can include details, context, explanations, or anything else that helps your audience understand your post. If you're asking a question, be clear about what you need. If you're sharing information, organize it in a way that's easy to read. Before moving on, take a moment to review what you wrote and check for spelling, clarity, and tone. Once everything looks good, click Post. That will publish your content to Reddit and make it visible in the community you selected. After posting, you can usually return to the post to edit certain parts, reply to comments, and follow the discussion. And that's it. That's how to post on Reddit. As a final tip, always read the rules of the subreddit before posting, since each community may have its own guidelines for titles, formatting, and allowed content. Following those rules can help your post stay up and reach the right audience.